everyone, welcome back again to another one of my sewing video. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. I've just been in kind of a slump lately, but today we'll be making this backless blue silk dress. To get started, you're gonna need these following pieces. So like always, we're gonna start off with the strap. Go ahead and fold your strap piece into half, and using these ballpoint needle, hold it into place. Then you're gonna go ahead and sew that. Make sure that you leave enough room so that you'll be able to flip it inside out later. Since we're working with this silk satin material today, I'll be using the serger machine to seal all of the edges in place. Lastly, for the strap, you're just gonna go ahead and flip it inside out. Now we're moving on to the front side of the dress. You're going to put the front lining piece at the bottom with the right side facing up, and then the strap in the middle where the corners are. Go ahead and sew all around. And then you should end up with something like this. Once again, seal all of the edges down. Once you finish with that step, you should end up with something like this for the front piece. Moving back to the sewing machine, you're going to sew a line on the front lining of the dress. Go ahead and iron that front piece flat down, and then we're going to move on to the back side. Lay the back piece down and then lay the back lining right on top of it. Sandwich the two straps in the middle of the two back pieces. Use some help with your ballpoint needle to hold it in place, and then sew straight across the top. Once again, we're going to seal all of the edges. Then move on to your sewing machine and sew a straight line along the top side of the lining piece. Once you are done with that step, you should end up with something like this. Lay it out and make sure the two straps matches up to each other, and then just cut it. It doesn't have to be perfect, so snip away. Then the final step is just to sew the two pieces together on the sides, and then fold the hems up at the bottom and just sew all around. I realize that this video is not as detailed as my past videos, but I'm really trying to test out different ways I can lay out my contents without it being too long or too boring. And hopefully this way it's also easier for me to edit the video, so I'd be less lazy to do it. And whoop-de-doo, you got yourself a nice sexy backless dress that you can go out, just kidding, you can wear inside your house during this quarantine. Yay! Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Bye!